All right, so we're going to look at different parts of an expression. And an expression is just anything without an equal sign. So if we look at this doesn't say that this all equals 100 or equals anything else. There's no equal sign, so that's an expression. So first we're going to look at terms. And terms are just each part. So everything that is separated by a plus or a minus sign, if there were minus signs, is a term. So 2x squared is a term. Then we have a plus, then 9 is a term, 3x is a term, 4y is a term, and 7 is a term. Then we also have variables, and those are usually pretty easy to see. They are the letters, the things that can change based on what number you plug in. They vary, so they are called variables. So our variables would be x and y. Now, along with the variables, they are typically paired with a coefficient. And if there is no coefficient, you assume the coefficient is 1. But the coefficient is just the number that is in front of the variable. So looking at this, we have 2 that is a coefficient for 2x squared. We have 3 that is a coefficient for 3x. And we have 4 that is a coefficient for 4y. Now, if something does not have a variable, if it's just a plain number like the ones you've been used to, like ever since kindergarten and elementary school, that is a constant. And it's called a constant because these numbers stay constant. They do not change. So this 9 will always be a 9. There's not a variable next to it to change its value. This 7 will constantly be 7. So it is a constant. And then the last piece, and I didn't see any of these in your quiz, but I was going to put it on here just in case. The last piece would be exponents, and those are easy to recognize as well. They are right up kind of at the top, smaller text and higher, and they represent repeated multiplication. So our exponent on this one, the only one that we have would be a 2. So to review, each piece is called a term. The letters are variables. The numbers in front of the variables are the coefficients. And then the plain Jane numbers are the constants. I hope that this helps, and please just send me an email if you have any questions before you take your quiz.